I'm making sweet potato gnocchi with spinach and mozzarella using Knorr zero salt veggie stock cubes. You can buy Knorr zero salt veggie stock cubes from most major retailers and on Boots Online, and it's great for Easter family recipes. Some boiling water. Peel the potatoes. Add in the flour, add the 2 egg yolks. Put the dough into small pieces. You roll it up like a log. You cut them into little dumpling squares. Add the spinach to the boiling water. Add the gnocchi. 2 cloves of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tins of chopped tomatoes. I'm adding the basil. The boiling water into a jug. Add the Knorr zero salt veggie stock cube into the boiling water. Put it in the oven.